what was your main motivation for the changes that you've made here?
Well, when we bought the house, it was a 1960s project home, and the insulation was terrible, and it had a concrete tile roof. Whatever the temperature was outside, a couple of hours after that, it would be the same temperature inside.
Wow.
And it would be regularly 40 degrees upstairs if it was 40 degrees outside.
That is really hot.
The other part of it is the windows. We replaced, the original windows were aluminium, and I think they were the original 1960s windows. So there was, if you stood in front of them, you could feel the draft coming through them. So we replaced all of those with double glazed, argon filled windows, and the difference in insulation is incredible.
So I can see you've got a room upstairs. It must have been terrible during summer.
Absolutely. So some of the ceilings up there are raked, like in my daughter's room. So the distance between the plasterboard on the inside of the room and the tiles on the roof was about 10 centimetres.
Wow.
You couldn't touch her ceiling in the summer. You'd burn your hand. Yeah, it was that ridiculous.
And one thing you don't want as a father is having kids complain. Because there's so much to complain about these days for them, isn't there?
That is
What's
true.
the Wi-Fi password again? Yeah. And Dad, are we going to do anything about these burns on me head that I got from the ceiling in my room?